Hi friends, this is Gautam. In this video tutorial, I can discuss about how to configure local span. So the expansion of span is switch port analyzer. So using that span, I want to capture the incoming and outgoing traffic for that server. So this is an example scenario. Here I can use 200.200.200.0/24 network. So in server I will assign the IP addresses 200, 200, 210 and PC I will assign the IP addresses 200.200.200.20. Now I am going to configure span on layer 3 switch, and here I will use this sniffer. So using this sniffer I want to capture the packet incoming and outgoing packet of this server. So we can configure. So first of all I will go to the global mode. Next, the syntax for configuring span is monitor, next session. So here depends upon the switch model, we have to create the session. So in this switch it will support two session. So if you want to capture particular device or particular VLAN per session, so here maximum we can create two session. So I will give the session number as 1. Next I will mention the source, so which port I want to monitor. So in this example I want to monitor fast Ethernet 0/1 because this port is connected to server. So the server incoming and outgoing traffic I want to monitor. So that's why only in source I want to monitor fast Ethernet 0/1. So source, next I will give the interface because the particular interface I am going to monitor. So if I want to monitor particular VLAN means we have to give the VLAN. So here I will give interface. Next I want to give the port number. Sorry, whether it is in fast Ethernet or gigabit Ethernet. So it's a fast Ethernet 0/0. Next we have to give both. RX means receiving traffic, TX means transmitting traffic, incoming and outgoing. By default it will capture both. So here I will give both. If you give both, or by default it should be in both only. I will give enter. Okay, the syntax is wrong. So by default it's on both, so you no need to give anything. Okay, so I will give the interface port number as wrongly. Here the interface port number is fast Ethernet 0/1. So we have to give monitor session 1, then source interface fast Ethernet 0/1, and we have to give both. Enter. Okay, now it will be accepted because previously the port number I will give wrongly. So instead of fast Ethernet 0/1 I will give fast Ethernet 0/0. So that's why only it will be showing the error message interface range not validated. Okay, now I will give the source port wants the source ports to monitor the traffic. Next I have to send the traffic to destination post. So destination port number is fast Ethernet 0/3. So the sniffer is connected in fast Ethernet 0/3. So again we can go to the switch and we have to give monitor session. We have to give the same session number 1 and destination. So the destination interface is interface fast Ethernet 0/3. Enter. Okay, so that's it. So now we can configure the local span. So the syntax for creating span is just go to the global mode, then you have to give monitor session, then you have to give the session number. Next we have to give the source port, which port I want to monitor. So we have to give the source and we have to mention that particular interface port number. Then you have to give both. Both means that particular port incoming and outgoing traffic can be monitored. Next we have to mention the destination, so which port I can send the traffic. So I will give port number fast ethernet 0/3 because in fast ethernet 0/3 only I will connect a sniffer. So using sniffer the captured traffic will be sent to that sniffer. Okay, we can check it. Show monitor to check the local span. So here we can see source port is fast ethernet 0/1. Here it will shows both, means both sending and receiving traffic, and destination port is fast ethernet 0/3. Okay, so local span means within a switch we can monitor the traffic. So if it's remote span means one switch to another switch we can capture the traffic. Okay, so now I will configure this port wants to monitor the traffic. So in fast ethernet 0/1 what are the packets it will be sending and receiving. The traffic will be captured and it will send to this sniffer. Okay, we can check. I will give the simulation mode, so I will just ping it from PC0 to server. So just I will give ARP and ICMP packet I am going to monitor. Okay, in simulation mode. So now just go to the PC and I will give ping to that server 200.200.200.10. Enter. Okay, in simulation mode first of all the R packet will be generated, so it will just go to this switch, then switch immediately it will be broadcast. So that packet will be sending to this server. The same packet will be captured in this sniffer also. Again the R packet will be replying to that switch and it will send to the PC. So that packet will be sent to the sniffer also. Here we can see it will sending to PC and same packet will be captured in sniffer. Now the ICMP packet will send to the server 0. Once this ICMP packet reach that server means one copy will be sent to sniffer and one copy will be sent to server. So what are the traffic, it will be incoming and outgoing traffic will be exactly captured and it will send to this sniffer. We can see the ICMP packet will be sending to here. Now this packet will send to fast ethernet 0/1. So same packet will be captured and sent to sniffer also. Here we can see the packet will be capturing here in sniffer, and the replay packet will be coming to this PC0. Once reach this switch means one packet, same packet will be sending to sniffer as well as PC0. Here we can see. So one packet will be sending. So the exact traffic flowing between fast ethernet 0/1, the traffic will be copied and sent to the sniffer. Okay, next packet, ICMP packet. Again it will be capturing. Okay, let's finish the simulation mode. Okay, so now we can check it in PC, we can get 4 replay. Okay, now we can go to the sniffer and here we can see the ICMP packet. So these are the packets will be incoming and outgoing traffic flow of this server. So the traffic will be captured and sent to the sniffer. So here we can check it each and every packet. So what is the source IP? So the source IP is PC0 IP is 200.200.220 and destination IP is server IP 200.200.10. So the exact details we can capture in sniffer. So here we can see the OR packet. This is an broadcast packet and this is an OR replay packet. So here this is an OR replay packet. So exactly it will be captured and sent to the sniffer. So for security reason we have to monitor our server. For example, in server incoming and outgoing traffic we have to monitor. So using span. Span is a switch port analyzer. So here local span indicates within a network, means it's a local span. If it's different network means it's a different switch, means it should be a remote span. So using span we have to capture the incoming and outgoing traffic and it will send to the destination port. So this is an in simulation mode I can use sniffer. So in real time you can use one system. For an example, instead of this fast Ethernet 0/3 you have to connect out one system. In that system, if you are using Wireshark, means whatever the traffic will be incoming and outgoing of fast Ethernet 0/1 will be sent to that system. So through that Wireshark we have to capture the exact traffic, exact data. Okay friends, thank you for watching my videos. For further updates, subscribe my channel. Thank you.